10 were healed, only one came back. Tonight I come back to thank you. A 12-year-old boy, a little dream in his heart. Look toward tomorrow. From Lake Eyes, Haiti, Guadeloupe, Paris, France, across the ocean to America. Along the way I learned home is where somebody opens a door for you. When Arkansas opened the door, you gave me hope. When Arkansas said you belong, my heart said I'm home. For every open heart, every helping hand,
every brand new start.
Little Rock, Fayetteville, Fort Smith, Jonesboro, Hot Springs, Bentonville,
Ozark Mountain,
Delta Fields,
Arkansas River rolling on.
different roads, one Arkansas family. Hey, hey, hey. And if Arkansas is home, but tonight you're far away, in another state or somewhere across the sea, you can leave the natural state, but it never leaves your heart.
Mama's cooking
Sunday morning, old friends calling your name. That front porch light, that little road that still feels like home. Wherever you go, a little Arkansas travels there with you. Hey! To every teacher,
neighbor,
farmer,
worker,
and every helping hand,
thank you.
in 1986 another door opened, a chance to build a future. President Ronald Reagan, thank you.
Arkansas sunrise,
Hey, hey,
Arkansas blue sky,
hey, Haitian drums.
Arkansas sunrise,
Hey, Africa gave me the guitar sound.
Arkansas blue sky.
Sweet Konpa, moving smooth tonight.
Different languages,
Hey.
different journeys,
One heart,
different languages,
Oh.
different journeys.
one family.
Someone opened the door for me.
Now I dream of opening one more.
Open the door for me.
Not for me,
Not for one nation.
for all humanity. From the hills of Arkansas to the stars above, may every child look up and know no dream is too far.